Anyhow, I'm sure Tom. We are making vegetable chop suey today. So basically, chop suey is all the mixed vegetable that you have: carrot, bell pepper, a lot of bean sprout, pea pod, bok choy, mushroom. So healthy. Preheat your skillet, like medium-high heat is okay. Add some extra virgin olive oil or cooking oil, it's okay. And normally chop suey is no spicy, but somehow I already have the mixture of ginger, garlic, and hot chili, so I make it a little bit spicy today. Stir, give them a couple minutes until aromatic. So basically there, we just want to lightly brown the ginger garlic. And then we add in the vegetable. Vegetable you can eat raw, right? But we just want to create a chop suey flavor. Give them a quick stir. Next, we're gonna add in some just plain water. Kind of soften the vegetable. And then we're gonna add some soy sauce, not much, very light. And let the sauce bring up to the boil. Now the sauce bring up to a boil, we're just gonna add, I got 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2-3 ounces water, just a little bit, to thicken the sauce, give them a more rich flavor. Make sure you let the sauce bring up to a boiling before you add any more cornstarch mixture. They start to react. The sauce start become thicker. It's a little bit saucy. I like it. It's perfect to serve with rice. And if you want the vegetable more softened, just cook it longer. For me, I like it a little crunchy. It's good. Here we go. Vegetable chop suey. So delicious. See this? Wow. Light flavor, ginger garlic. It's really good. It's good to go. I hope you like the video. I see you next time. Bye.